Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello and welcome to The Print. I'm Karishma Hasnat. Today we are joined by Assam Agriculture Minister Otul Bora, who is the President of the regional Ahom Gana Poriষদ, one of the alliance partners of the BJP in Assam. Thank you for joining us, sir.
Thank you.
It's good to see you hale and hearty. So let's begin by asking you what people of Assam would generally want to know. In few months from now, Assam is going to polls. What does AGP have to offer to the people of Assam? What are you planning?
I see AGP alliance partner of the BJP ruled government in Assam, and now since beginning we have been working hard to serve the people of the state. And as you know that AGP was formed in 1985 after long agitation, Assam movement. 855 people sacrificed their lives. Assam Accord was signed in 1985 after long agitation. But though the government, union government, is the northern ministry to implement the clauses of the accord, but then government did nothing for implementation of the clauses of the Assam Accord. The foreigners' problems remains the same. Modi government came into power, and we were expecting, and still we are expecting, because we want permanent solution of this problem. It should be settled once for all, because since long the people have been suffering. It is a threat to the identity of the indigenous people, infiltration problems. See, border was open, but the present government has done something in this regard. So we want that clause 6, which is the soul of the Assam Accord,
Right.
it should be implemented.
Of course.
It should be implemented with letter and spirit. That we want.
But if you want that clause 6 should be implemented, has your party done anything to ensure that the recommendation by the expert committee has been promptly, a prompt decision has been taken on that?
You see, after long 35 years, a committee was formed headed by Biplab Sharma. The present government headed by Modi. That is a good sign. And we are positive. We are expecting something, and they have already recommended their recommendation. I think the government of India will consider, because when we met the Home Minister, he assured us that the government of India will implement the suggestions given by the committee.
What is your stand on the Citizenship Amendment Act? We wish to know an honest opinion because we have seen how you had reacted to the act.
No, see, our stand is very much clear. I have nothing to say at the moment.
So we can consider that AGP would be in alliance with the BJP for 2021 despite the act.
I think so.
Okay. You are also the Agriculture Minister of the state. So how has Assam fared in the agriculture sector under your tenure? Has there been an increase in production per hectare in the state?
No, see, production is increasing day by day. See, in case of rice, in case of other products also, fruits, vegetables. So it is increasing. The rate of the percentage of this rate is very high at the moment. Even the governor of Reserve Bank, he also appreciated what we did in the last few months during Corona period.
A number of regional parties have been formed, new parties have emerged in the political scenario, and all these are anti-CAA forces. What do you have to say about them?
So during the time of Assam movement, we have seen that there were so many regional parties And at present, yeah, some people are going to form some so-called regional parties, but AGP is the pillar of regionalism in Assam. After 6 years long agitation, this party was formed by the people of Assam.
Right.
So, I think,
But when we talk of the AGP, you're saying AGP is the pillar of regionalism in Assam.
yeah.
Let's talk about one of the main architects of AGP. He was also one of the architects of AGP. We are talking about Prafulla Kumar Mohanta here. You know, over the time...
No,
we
he
have-
was not architect. The people were architect of AGP.
Okay, you do not consider him to be one.
No.
Okay,
Yeah,
so-
he led the Assam movement as president of ASU. Ganasangam Parishad were there. And peoples from different part of the state joined the movement. They led the movement. That was a mass movement. You
Right.
see, after mass movement, the party was formed.
Right.
The party came into existence. But now, after doing agitations for a few months, if their intention is to form a party after agitation, after the movement, that is a different thing.
Okay.
Hmm.
It seems that he has become a liability for the party. He has lost his aura. His public support has eroded over time. But by making him less significant or by trivializing him, do you think that you have regained lost ground? AGP has regained the lost
No,
ground.
I don't want to blame my colleagues. Maybe senior, maybe junior, and I am president of the party. I shouldn't say that someone is irrelevant for the party. I don't think so. But see, we have been working together, though we have some difference of opinion. But we have been working together, and let us hope for the best.
But the performance of the party has still been dismal.
No. But we are increasing day by day. As you know that yesterday, a renowned artist,
Kalpana
who is
Patwari.
a very popular singer, and Kalpana Patwari, she joined the party yesterday. That way, 2-3 days back, one Mr. Dr. Ranjit Dekha, he also joined the party. He has a strong hold in his locality. And many people will come. Many people are ready to come forward. Mainly the youngsters, they are willing to join the party.
Youngsters inspired by regionalism.
Yes.
But when we talk of regionalism, how come you are still with the BJP bandwagon? Because BJP, we consider it to be, totally Hinduism, AGP regionalism. How can they sit together?
No. You see, AGP is a regional party. We believe in regionalism, and AGP is a secular party. Yes, present day politics is something different. If you see to the center,
So have you had to make any compromise in this regard?
no, there is no question of compromise. There is no question of compromise. We want development, progress, peace in the state, as well as we want implementation of the clauses of Assam Accord, mainly the clause 6. And as you know, the 6 communities of Assam, Ahom, Sutia, Moran, Motok, Kusras, Banki, they are demanding for tribal status in the state. And our government, headed by Mr. Chunwal, and are going to consider this their demand. Yesterday we had a meeting. Himanta Biswa Sarma, he is chairman of the committee. I was also one of the members. I attended the meetings where the 6 communities, the representatives of the 6 communities took part in the meeting. So this government is working hard. This government have been working for the development, progress of the indigenous people of the state.
So we are expecting good performance from the AGP in 2021?
Definitely.
Sure, we wish you all the best and thank you for your time. Stay safe and take care.